Topic A. Inventory planning. Inventory plays a fundamental role in manufacturing and distribution by ensuring that materials and products are available when needed to support operations and satisfy customer demand. Inventory includes raw materials, work in process, finished goods, maintenance supplies, and service parts that support production and customer service activities. Effective inventory management balances supply and demand while protecting organizations from uncertainty and disruptions. Inventory serves multiple functions, including anticipation, hedge, cycle stock, safety stock, pipeline inventory, and service part support. Because inventory represents a significant financial investment and appears as a current asset on the balance sheet, organizations must carefully manage inventory levels to maximize value while minimizing costs and operational risks. The primary goals of inventory management are to achieve desired customer service levels, support production efficiency, reduce total supply chain costs, and align inventory investments with organizational financial objectives. Inventory managers seek to maintain sufficient stock to prevent shortages and production interruptions while avoiding excessive inventory that ties up working capital and increases carrying costs. Achieving this balance requires establishing target inventory levels that reflect service requirements, forecast accuracy, lead times, demand variability, and risk exposure. Inventory management operates at both aggregate and item levels, ensuring that strategic inventory objectives are translated into operational decisions. Successful inventory planning supports organizational strategy while improving responsiveness, profitability, and overall supply chain performance. Inventory planning requires organizations to understand important trade-offs among stocking levels, customer service expectations, environmental impacts, inventory accuracy, and financial performance. Higher inventory levels generally improve product availability and service reliability, but increase carrying costs, obsolescence risks, storage requirements, and environmental burdens associated with warehousing and transportation. Lower inventory levels reduce investment and waste, but may increase stockout risks and customer dissatisfaction. Effective planners evaluate these competing objectives and establish policies that balance operational efficiency with customer requirements. Inventory decisions must also consider sustainability goals and resource utilization, ensuring that inventory strategies contribute positively to both organizational performance and environmental responsibility, while maintaining appropriate service standards. Organizations may adopt centralized or decentralized inventory management strategies depending on business objectives, service requirements, and network design. Centralized inventory systems consolidate stock in fewer locations, reducing overall inventory investment through risk pooling. Risk pooling occurs when demand variability across multiple locations is combined, allowing lower safety stock requirements while maintaining service levels. Decentralized systems place inventory closer to customers, improving responsiveness and reducing delivery times, but often requiring higher inventory investments. Planning decisions must also consider sourcing risks, such as supplier reliability, geopolitical uncertainty, transportation disruptions, and capacity constraints. These risks influence safety stock levels, replenishment strategies, supplier selection, and overall inventory policies designed to ensure continuity of supply. A key concept in inventory planning is the distinction between push and pull systems. Push systems rely on forecasts and planned schedules to determine production and replenishment activities before actual demand occurs. In contrast, pull systems initiate replenishment in response to actual customer consumption or demand signals. Each approach offers advantages and limitations depending on product characteristics, demand patterns, lead times, and operational objectives. Push systems are often appropriate when demand is predictable and economies of scale are important, while pull systems can reduce inventory levels and improve responsiveness. Many organizations use hybrid approaches that combine forecasting with demand-driven replenishment to balance efficiency and flexibility throughout the supply chain. Inventory classifications help organizations manage products according to their characteristics, value, usage patterns, and strategic importance. Inventory may be categorized as raw materials, work in process, finished goods, maintenance supplies, or service parts. Additional classifications include anticipation inventory, hedge inventory, cycle stock, safety stock, pipeline inventory, and reserve inventory. Inventory classifications may change throughout a product's life cycle as demand patterns, market conditions, and operational requirements evolve. Service industries also rely heavily on inventory concepts, although their inventory often includes capacity, consumables, spare parts, maintenance supplies, and supporting materials. Hotels, airlines, healthcare providers, restaurants, and entertainment organizations all manage inventory to support service delivery and customer satisfaction. Inventory planning operates at both aggregate and itemized levels. Aggregate inventory management focuses on establishing overall inventory investment targets and policies based on financial objectives and organizational strategy. Itemized inventory management translates these aggregate goals into specific stocking, replenishment, and control decisions for individual stock-keeping units. Item segmentation techniques, such as ABC classification, help prioritize management attention and resources by grouping items according to value, usage, criticality, or risk. Different inventory classes receive different control policies, review frequencies, and service targets. Through effective item segmentation and policy development, organizations can allocate resources efficiently, improve inventory performance, and support strategic objectives while maintaining appropriate levels of customer service and operational effectiveness.